Unclogging a toilet without a plunger might sound daunting, but it's totally doable. Imagine the situation: an unexpected clog, no plunger in sight, panic mode activated. Second, this is reality for some. Let's talk solutions step by step. First, stop the water flow. Remove the tank lid and manually push the flapper over the flush valve to prevent overflow. This one quick action can prevent a small problem from becoming a Titanic level disaster. Trust me, your floors appreciate it. Next, dish soap to the rescue. Pour about half a cup of dish soap into the toilet bowl. The slippery consistency helps break down the clog. And this is something I always keep in my bathroom cabinet. Way less scary than it sounds after pouring in the dish soap. Follow it with hot but not boiling water, and boil some water and then let it cool for 5 minutes. And pour it slowly. This helps dissolve and push away whatever might be causing the blockage. Patience, my friends, is key. Give it a good 15-20 minutes to sit. You know, the soap and hot water are working their unclogging magic. Sometimes you'll hear plumbing gurgles. Music to your ears because something's happening down there. If your toilet remains stubborn, grab some baking soda and vinegar from your cupboard. Sprinkle about a cup of baking soda and 2 cups of vinegar into the toilet bowl. This creates a fizzing reaction that can help cackle the blockage. Once the fizzing stops, add more hot water. Be cautious to pour from waist level to keep those pipes safe. This can help push the baking soda vinegar mix into those stubborn corners where plungerless hands can't reach. Still dealing with a clog. Yep. Time to get creative. Grab a plastic bottle, remove the cap, fill it with warm water, and forcefully squeeze it into the drain hole. Makeshift pressure, aiming for the perfect unclog without even breaking a sweat. If that doesn't work, consider a wire hanger. Unwind it, wrap the end with a cloth to avoid scratching the toilet, and push it gently into the drain. Think of it as DIY plumber's snake, except it's silent, cheaper, and remarkably effective. Another trick involves enzyme product usage. They are designed to break down waste. Simply follow the instructions, and these little lifesavers could clear your problem overnight. Beats a bathroom flood any day. Pro tip: prevention beats cure. Regularly pour hot water and dish soap down your toilet to keep pipes clear. And this ensures surprise clogs are less frequent. A neat trick from yours truly, spun from necessity while living here in Portland. Okay, so before giving up entirely, bless any remaining blockages with a bit of patience. The toilet may just need more time. Sip some coffee, watch TV while envisioning your newfound hero status. Be prepared to call a plumber as a last resort.